Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Viewers, our today's lesson related to class ninth, unit number 2, name of unit, real and complex numbers. This is our second lesson on this topic. In the previous lesson, we have defined real numbers and complex numbers. Exercise 2.6. Today's first question is number 4. Statement says simplify and write your answer in the form a plus b iota. Dear students, you have to simplify the given and to write it in the complex number form. A plus b iota mean a complex number. A is a real part whereas b is an imaginary part. Our first part over here is minus 2 over 1 plus iota. Starting our solution, that writing the first step same like question, and in the very next step multiplying and dividing by conjugate. Dear students, in the previous topic we discussed about the conjugate. Here look at the denominator, it is 1 plus iota. The sign of imaginary part, that is iota, is changed, and this is called to get the conjugate. So we multiply and divide with the conjugate. We have minus 2 over 1 plus iota multiplied by 1 minus iota over 1 minus iota. In the next step, numerator to numerator multiplication gives us minus 2 into 1 minus iota, whereas the product of denominators will be of the frame 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. In the next step, multiplying the values at the place of numerator, we have minus 2 plus 2 iota, whereas the denominator is of the frame a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. Keeping the numerator same and using iota square is equal to minus 1, we have minus 2 plus 2 iota whole over 1 minus into minus 1. Taking 2 common from the numerator, we have 2 into minus 1 plus iota over 1 plus 1. You all know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So numerator place 2 and denominator 2 both will get cancelled, and we are left in this case minus 1 plus iota as the answer. Hope you all understand. Moving to the next part number 4, the value is 2 minus 6 iota whole over 3 plus iota minus 4 plus iota whole over 3 plus iota. Viewers, if you see at the denominators, both are same. Whenever between the fraction there is minus or plus, and you have to look at the denominators, method is you have to utilize LCM method. Your advantage over here is that the denominator is same, so same stand for the LCM, and you keep the same numerator values, that is you have at the place of numerator 2 minus 6 iota, between sign remains same, minus into 4 plus iota over your LCM is 3 plus iota. In the next step, opening the brackets, at the place of numerator we have 2 minus 6 iota minus 4 minus iota. Now simplifying the like terms, 2 minus 4, you are left with minus 2, whereas minus 6 iota minus 1 iota you have minus 7 iota over 3 plus iota remains same. Now it is converted into same part number 1 frame. You can multiply and divide with the conjugate. Conjugate of 3 plus iota is 3 minus iota. So multiplying and dividing by 3 minus iota, we have the situation as in your picture. In the next step, multiplying numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, we have minus 2 minus 7 iota into 3 minus iota over 3 plus iota into 3 minus iota. Very simple. At the place of numerator you have to multiply minus 2 with both 3 as well as minus iota. Applying this, minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus iota. Now the second element of the first bracket, that is minus 7 iota, first time into 3 and then again plus minus 7 iota into minus iota. Denominator is very clear. A plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. Hope it is clear. Next we have on simplifying, multiplication of 2 and 3 with sign minus 1 gives us minus 6. The next one 2 iota, then we have minus 21 iota plus 7 iota square. Utilizing iota square is equal to minus 1 and using the denominator as a square minus b square, we have 3 whole square minus iota whole square, that gives us 9 minus into minus 1. At the place of numerator, simplification gives us minus 6, minus 7 and minus 19 iota. Whole over is 9 plus 1, 10. Now the like terms are minus 6 and minus 7. They are converted into minus 13, minus 19 iota remain same. Separating the numerator and denominator, both values, we have minus 10, minus 13 over 10, minus 19 over 10 iota. Dear students, if you are asked about the real part and imaginary part, we will say that minus 13 over 10 is the real part, whereas minus 19 over 10 is the imaginary part. Hope you all understand. Next, question number 5 says that calculate part number A z conjugate, part number B z plus z conjugate, part number C z minus z conjugate, and part number D z multiplied by z conjugate, whereas the z given in part number 2 is z plus is equal to 2, z is equal to 2 plus iota. Starting our solution, keeping the first step z is equal to 2 plus iota same. In the very first part, our demand is to calculate z conjugate, applying the conjugate on both left hand side as well as right hand side. Very simple. Applying the conjugate definition, imaginary part sign will be changed, so you got the answer of z conjugate as z conjugate is equal to 2 minus iota. Now making the addition of given z and this calculated z conjugate, we have to complete part number B, that says z plus z conjugate. Very simple. 2 plus iota plus 2 minus iota and plus iota will go cancel. 2 plus 2 gives you the 4 as the answer. In the next part, we have to calculate z minus z conjugate. Z is given 2 plus iota, z conjugate you calculated 2 minus iota, between sign is minus. When you will open the next bracket, signs will be changed. So in the next step we have z minus z conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota minus 2 plus iota. Now you are to cancel plus 2 and minus 2, iota plus iota gives you 2 iota as the answer. In fourth part, you have to multiply both z and z conjugate. That is z into z conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota into 2 minus iota. Clearly the right hand side is of the frame, a plus b into a minus b, that results in a square minus b square. So we have 4 minus iota square. You all know iota square is equal to minus 1. So we have 4 minus into minus 1, that in the next step becomes 4 plus 1, and that is equal to 5 as the answer of the fourth part. Next we have part number 4. The value given is z is equal to 4 minus 3 iota whole over 2 plus 4 iota. Starting our solution, same first step of question, then multiplying and dividing by the conjugate, we have 4 minus 3 iota over 2 plus 4 iota multiplied by 2 minus 4 iota over 2 minus 4 iota. Next step, multiplying numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, we have denominator to denominator will be simply a plus b into a minus b, that will be a square minus b square. Numerator multiplication simple, like first term, first bracket, first element 4 multiplied with number 2 first and then with minus 4 iota. So we have 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8, and then plus 4 into minus 4 iota gives us minus 16 iota. Next we have minus 3 iota into 2, that gives us minus 6 iota, and in the last minus 3 iota into minus 4 iota gives us 12 iota square. Hope you all clear up till here. In the next step, using iota square is equal to minus 1 and simplifying these like terms containing iota, we have z is equal to 8 minus 22 iota plus 12 into minus 1, whereas denominator is a square minus b square gives us 4 minus 16 iota square. Next step, we have 8 minus 22 iota minus 12 over 4 minus 16 into minus 1. From the numerator, we are left minus 4 minus 22 iota over 4 plus 16. And in the next step, we are having minus 4 over 20 minus 22 iota over 20 as the real and imaginary part of z. So simplifying cancellation by number 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, we have z is equal to minus 1 over 5. And the next by number 2 cancelling, we have 2 into 11 22 and 2 into 11 2 into 10 20, that is z is equal to minus 1 over 5 minus 11 over 10 iota as the value of z. Next target is to calculate z conjugate. It will be easier to apply conjugate over here, the z you calculated in the simplified frame. Applying conjugate on both the sides, we have left hand side whole conjugate is equal to right hand side whole conjugate. Dear students, method you know, you have just to change the sign of imaginary part. This minus will be changed into plus and your this conjugate sign that is somewhat like bar will be removed. So we have z conjugate is equal to minus 1 over 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. In the next part, we have to calculate z plus z conjugate. We already calculated in simplified form, z is equal to minus 1 over 5 minus 11 over 10 iota plus z conjugate is here in our picture, that is minus 1 over 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. Making the addition, opening the brackets, we have minus 1 over 5 minus 11 over 10 iota minus 1 over 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. Well clear, minus 11 over 10 iota plus 11 over 10 iota will get cancelled. You are left with minus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Very simple, take the 5 as LCM, so you will be having minus 1 whole over 5, that gives you minus 2 over 5 as the result of z plus z conjugate. In the next step, we have to calculate z minus z conjugate. We have z is equal to minus 1 over 5 minus 11 over 10 iota, whereas z conjugate is minus 1 over 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. Now between sign is minus. In the next step, when we will open the brackets, both the signs will be changed as in your picture here. And now minus 1 over 5 and plus 1 over 5 will get cancelled, and we are having in the next step z minus z conjugate is equal to minus 11 over 10 iota minus 11 over 10 iota. Taking 10 as the LCM, we have z minus z conjugate is equal to minus 11 iota minus 11 iota whole over 10, that makes minus 22 over iota whole over 10. Now making the cancellation, we are left with minus 11 iota over 5. Our last part of this question, part D, says that multiply both z and z conjugate. We have z minus 1 over 5 minus 11 over 10 iota, whereas z conjugate is minus 1 over 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. Dear students, it is again off the frame. A minus b into a plus b can be written as a whole square minus b whole square. You already know square of minus sign results in positive sign. So square of minus 1 over 5 gives you plus 1 over 25, whereas square of 11 over 10 iota, square of 11 is 121, square of iota is iota square of 10 is 100. So in the next step, put iota square is equal to minus 1 we have 1 over 25 as it is, minus 121 over 100 into minus 1. Now this minus 1 into minus 1, minus sign will be converted into plus. We are having z into z conjugate is equal to 1 over 25 plus 121 over 100. As discussed earlier, two fractions, between them sign plus, so you will have to take the LCM of 25 and 100 is very clear, 100. So we have 25 into 4 100, 4 ones are 4 plus 121 remains same, as the LCM and denominator both are same. Hope you all are understanding. In the next step, we have 125 over 100. Now this can be cancelled by utilizing number 5. By 5, if you are going to cancel, you will have to cancel again by 5. So if you are to cancel by 25 in the single step, you can do 25 into 5 will give you 125, whereas 25 into 4 gives you 100. So the result becomes z into z conjugate is equal to 5 over 4. That makes our today's topic complete. Hope you all understand. You can provide your feedback. Thank you very much.